Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify invoicing and automated payment reminders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Shopify invoicing, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Select billing from the list of options available in the settings menu. Next, locate the invoice section within the billing settings. Here, you will have the option to enable invoices for your store. Toggle the switch to turn on the invoicing feature. Proceed to customize your invoice settings by clicking on Customize Invoice. You can upload your business logo, choose your preferred colors, and adjust the layout as needed. Make sure to fill out the legal information required for your invoices, such as your business name and address. Once you're satisfied with the customization, save your changes. Now, head back to the settings menu and select Notifications. Locate the section for payment reminders. Click on Edit to customize the messages that will be sent to customers. You can set the frequency of reminders, such as 1 day, 3 days, or 7 days after an invoice due date. Make sure to craft a friendly yet professional message that encourages timely payment. After finalizing your message, save your changes. Next, navigate back to the invoice section to set the payment terms. Define your payment terms, such as net 30 or due upon receipt, depending on your business model. Make sure to clearly communicate these terms on your invoices. Once all settings are adjusted, conduct a test transaction to ensure that invoices and reminders function correctly. Finally, monitor your invoices and the automated payment reminders for effectiveness over time. This concludes the setup of Shopify invoicing and automated payment reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.